106.3 FM. Adom DWASO NSEM FABÄWOSO the FABÄWOSO Ebrel. 15 minutes after 8. Say omanya ye wo mu say aban ehu asase bi na project bi nti aban na dwen say opesa asase na emra e wo man yi mo aban tumi say aban e de force e beje asase ne say is two lando e family lando e dieben lando aban etumeje ba sa aban agi wi a e wo say aban etua compensation farmers bi no ba ye wo so e wo say aban etua se no baye bia kura ni so a asase no compensation was aban etua ma abusua no say ye stool land there was aban etua compensation e de ema won enti wo be kai a Bui Power Authority by 2007 nim ene ye say ye si Bui hydroelectric dam enti Bui agency ase ne ade ma ye set up dam no e was say my 400 megawatt e wi akire no na emu nsem bebre ye ntumi enya ende ye na ye ukwa Bui e peaking plant e ma ye roughly be 80 to 100 megawatts ende ye use as a peaking plant ba enye Bui hydroelectric dam ne ho asem mponti na enne ye kasei. Apart from that na was say ye because unim ye kwadru level bi na hydro power no enshada anya reliable eno ntina Bui enam say hydro ntino na insuo no entimi nko dam ni papa ne sansensem ni nyina nti entimi emma yen 400 megawatt ye hia no nti Bui emma yen be 80 to 100 megawatt ye use no oman as a peaking plant e do time a load na akosro nipa bebre na hia power na ye release egu system nim Bui Power Authority na nkasa nso ehu say they had to diversify with other sources of power. Enti Bui eyo omadwen say ombeko into solar power systems. In the last year near T say Bui Power Authority constructed 50 megawatt solar station our northern region. District no Bole Bamboy district. Ebema in 50 megawatt project no na e was say costing $56 million. $56 million. Na asase a Bui ekwaje yeso omode yesa project no. Farmers ana e waso compensation. Omone land valuation division eye me kokodru be 42,276 Ghana cedis. Ban ehwe ye through Bui etua. But asase na nkasa compensation any wild ye can say trees ne ade na e wa asase ne so no e wo se ye tua no nso ye kasa enya ade o matua enam so e ma ho because area no ye carpenter mo amunim Bole Bamboy no ye wo kro bi e friend carpenter hene na ene oni Buifo enyen mayenko ne ene CEO a oda Bui Power Authority ano ne din e de Owura Fred Oware eni nkomo Mr. Fred Oware mo akwa ba FABÄWOSO ne ye wa Adom FM
me da wasi bebre mi chia etiefo anope
bibi abokwa anope de
Yesu Adom ye nyina ya tikwa me ho pe wa hoden so
minim say as CEO of Bui Power Authority no wonsa aka notice bi lawyers nana oda carpenter kurona no say opeso odemo court say the compensation bi muntua emfama no den
yo edase bebre e be chirichirem nansa na me chirichirem no meti se na wo ka bibi na men fan kra wo ho no so fanto ho se yi Bui no ye no say 400
megawatt yes
plant capacity say no e generate a 80 pe ne ade ni nyina enya no kra
e ma yen say
enya no kra ye wo 400 megawatts no 3 units ni nyinara eye adwuma a wo ko grid co fuako akobisa wo mo ana say ECG fuako akobisa wo mo a wo mo aka kire say tambia wo mo hia electricity free e ho no wo mo saka na me no kasa de say prepare ka say a car sabi ECG fuako edi electricity ya supply for the past 2 years so mo tuani nyina enka loan na GDC dam no kura no emufa ebeti
no ba Mr. Oware eni die mu a unyi question na no
to buna me so me nkyerɛkyerɛ.
No, mini problem. Say na yesua de. And the me busa ne say, and this is abui ema yen how many megawatts? Eno ane question na me busa e.
Me see a 400 megawatts plant capacity ni nyina ye adwuma.
Inti bui ema yen 400 megawatts as we speak.
Yes. That's the plant capacity. Everything works.
No, meaning say plant capacity no was built to generate 400 megawatts. But am I in 400 megawatts ni nyina?
When tia samuna, won't tia say. Oh, it is a car. Also car na co speed say. Also be a no a 240 kilometers per hour.
Jim FM.
Na obeko e ka say 100 na obeko enti no bibia na wo kire ma kire amanfo say e picking plant uko abroche mem anaso man bia ye generate electricity a almost set aside one plant, one is a factory anaso say one generating set say mu e sign say e bia mo machine na ye fufuro say a framework within the shortest possible time. Ubetimi aso machine manabem nintino. Ye dimutu as reserve. Ye were problem bia near frame. And also said demand no a peja costro wamra ye ninda near frame no bem. And yes sir, machine baku nelsa muso mani ma two nakano mufan to reserve. The time I be here mubia. That's the meaning of picking plant.
Yeah, I know the metiasi medical trim. The American say yen na nim say bui originally and enya way kra na main issue but yesua de enti bui originally a 400 megawatt plant as we speak.
It has always been 400.
Good.
And it is 400 as we speak right now.
Enti bui generate 400 megawatts as we speak.
But yes.
No problem.
Yes.
No problem. When your main issue. The main issue ne your solar planter a war bole bamboy.
Okay.
Ohine no e de letter mamo say o de mo court.
Carpenter.
Yes. Yes.
Near Tini said, see, ye be solar or solar na ye no. Ye fre Sabia, a manful, and no more abba, Edo Mancasesica, nya abanka, no more de solar farm. No. That 2016, near ye open bid. Company winning, you know, a friend strategic services. That's a friend 3SIL. Omu factory nankasa ewo pon amudi ejuma Ghana for no ye sa ejuma no omu no mu win dey bid no na omu aye hu krata.
Hello, Mr. Wari.
Na
okay.
Beginning of this year na say bia omu sabeka entinu omu fa sika ubo dinu na 88,000 Ghana cedis. Say ekuafu a wo ho eni onnyoma omu aduadua ni nema ekeketa ho no say yekotua enoka. Enti omu ankasa etika mu eka me ho mika ho binya nipa foforo ene ekoko gina ho yebo eyi dewro ahemfu ni nyina abetena ase eni farmers ni nyina wo ho. Enti yetuatua sa sika no by check yedima farmers mu bia sakai sa sika na etua no so no land valuation for ene koko determine say sa sika na say utua ma wo mo yambo mu trim enkofo nankasa kro mu sika ene check emudi etuatua omu wie no na yan bui yakaso edichira wo hoi ya enti na carpenter wunye kuani enti no yamu chiche ye wenya enti mu 10% 8,000 no yan yetua the amount na eja usu nkrofwe wahwe omu so ankoye se omu edidi eja ene chire no bebi sase na economic trees na esisu no da wadawa trees na ade no se no so no enso mu bebetua na msi ejuma no nyan start ye se be start ya ebetwa endua na ansa na eba betua sa sika na ansa na yetwa bedua ni sisi wa yenya entwa ya mu didi so no de enya ade a betua hu sika de ama and in any case enya ba na betua and enya brief was de betua eye company na eba be ye ejuma no entinu bisa 3SI na minim nipa waka kire say 3SI fu etua 200,000 de ama me na medical no into the court obetimi de court. Yeah, this is the second or third time. Eyaya maniko mo chief wo bamboy yenyina ba ebodwa ye directors ni bi abetiram ama opacho so asmo ka akra wanka ni yie nam se jam obi hye na oka se politics o se den minim obi hye na wo no se fakokot obetimi de akokot obi ansi ni kwai radio so ba begina sabe so person nim go asebe na odigu obi wo ho a ene onko so onko sihwe because obi anya yi
na oro worry se me share story a
mama no to ebi anatre yesa peni no on person me di ni number betudwa enti ye kasa we wie na upa me di ni number ebe ma
don't worry ye beje number na very important ye beje number no
we be stand say wo motia sika bi 200,000 de amabu isi emfa ma ahemfu na obedi dase ne american
but se me share story a Business and Financial Times a year last year 2017 4th September and after say mo editu dwa say mo be ye project way $56 million any there 1 year after no project nen share ase
and America make me chere say enye yen yankasa buipo authority for and be fire there ye switch the ye wie na aka farm no abai ehihye ni say on person private sector ebeka ho emom yes adwuma no bi enti no sa 56,000 enya yen 56,000
56 million
sorry
yes
56 million no enya yen sika 3 years for nankasa but omunya final permit no omu sankaye say energy commission na mo permit no enya yen na de mema wo mo na omu agigi bi na so omu gia aka permit baako ye friend construction permit enu na aka so omu saka enu a ansa no motimi akwa sika na mahemfo na fe omu akobundua no ma ye adwuma omu sanka permit no omu ntimi enko ye adwuma bia
lawyer ni panyin a wo Twerenyame Chambers ono na a true letter no e de ebremo on behalf of the client John Kwame Kodua ono ankasa wa homa ne so nti oro worry say wo be twen so be 2 minutes bia ma me ni komo na me nsaimra yes me da say lawyer John Kwame Kodua otemenka
let me correct this point. Me coordinator Bridam contract Nigeria no. Me na me in charge of it. Papa the office. Me na me in charge of it. So me na me bia ho bia me na me baka. You're not talking to the wrong person. You're talking to the right person.
Indeed, you are John Kwame Kodua SKR, right?
Because Odo Jamra representing John Kwame Kodua.
I will represent John Kwame Kodua.
Yeah, because Odo Jamra. I'm the project manager.
Indeed, we are aware of letter John Kwame Kodua Edekoma, Chief Executive of Bui Power Authority.
Yeah,
title. Oh, you drafted the letter.
Yeah.
Indeed, ene utie die CEO eka na just more acting in bad faith though. I say omone mo nyanhyehyeye ba
Mantini okan no. Sometimes I told you I'm not hearing him.
No problem. No problem.
No, what is saying?
The all can say enya dia company na omo ba be si plant no. Etua sika bia ama won nti omu nim be bia mu nya sa information na fi say Bui Power Authority akoje sika bia fi company ne ho e no mo mpese omo de be ma.
Me pa me da pa. Se obati o tie dia mpese man tie ase ni say let me start from somewhere. Valuation ya be valuation ya na yaje Bui dam compensation land compensation crop compensation na ya na yaje ne contract na ye. You say a year land compensation and a crop compensation. Now, as I say, abaya just asking obi here, abaya to me the mano. Na ipakrono ayasu adwuma. The nearby land crop compensation. In the sense say papa no assassin na ma obi da dentin. Also employ government valuers. Am on be the government valuers in be ya. I was say what is due the chief no? A co-chief no. What important I say?
Yes.
Good. And the I'm fast to for Bombay, so valuation for Bombay. No. Instead of Nana Solomon Dompe MG, Chief of Carpenter, Agu from Air Force One. From Air Force, assessment, you know. Now, but the inventory of those items you met on the field. So, and now they quantify. I now we change for Konica. That's why you call from F. Pomefo no ne papa ya kwotwere bui power na egu pomefo no so ne wa so no pomefo no na carpenter dia ano na nche nti satma
na say from F no bui power me ba cho me ba bui power authority apne ama from F no se si o masesa ma akọ na nadin na abaso uni me no
o masesa ade ama na no good ano no ya show letters upon letters and say papa na o say you know enti ekodu saa no na afi odana omo etia farmers ne ka no so no o ka kire na carpenter say wo de ani de e betua in the form of royalties na na ma we are branch here the afi bia na odidi ho meanwhile that's not the order royalties there e said there aban wo kiosisi wo na kiosu no mabe han na de bia me twa de o mu a abusumi so anama mo sika kakra that is a form of royalty. Nemo I say make you say kiosk no. For me twa. For kiosk me twa. And your royalties due. On the matter no.
Inji mo demand say mo de omo air court no. E based on say sika na chedodo ana say munim say
in this kana sika no. Na me make part that point no.
Munim say bui power authority meba nyabotre yemfa no one after the other. Munim say bui power authority ensa kesika no every contractors are eba be yes adwuman ediama bui da ben no monsa kan sika no
see sa sika no omo boja ena 5 farmers no omo tia omo ka teremika no omo tia 5 farmers ka farmers ne ka be say let me see by 750,000 Ghana cedis about 750,000 Ghana cedis and omo tia farmers ne ka omo tia the farmers were 5 omo tia omo ka nti omo tia omo ka no e ho na papa ne kan say aka na de ndie obetua man installment installment and so president say royalties because na now your branch oni ko dem ka na
eno papa ben ne ka sa asem no
said over ne ka sa asem no
okay
so na call dem na dem you have your record no ho e wona na tinamo into aka chere ne yesterday oboso ma ohuru wanim ko esoro oboso ofoso ma ohuru wanim ko soro nya sa na tie it's your money I will say o twes kandi ma
yeah baba unim nso say sa compensation for economic trees share not ne dawadawa nnua na e wa asase ne so no say omun starti entwa engui a project na be sha ase a sisi na yade ya mu didi ho nti enya de o mbetimetwa compensation de amamo aje so o matwa egu
okasa oboa
adentia
nta oboa ni say sisi a yetiwo sisi yi so because carpenter say okosi dan a because for man kwa mani sidan no minimum obi a akoton asase sisi a ohene bi ba akoton asase sisi a asase no o ma je fi ni nsam nti no okasa oboa asase no say the moment ya e be publish executive instrument no abanya tuakaw won tuakaw ni dia no ma ban kwan say of because say acquisition no at 125 no say abanya fa sambra na ma go nya project asase fanya project
yeah
nti esa answer act no ya djuma nti no the moment eba publish no ayabandia property no ayabandia bi one na ma mark 1 point ya ko sunyane e ma ko evaluation for no ho ko bisa
JMFM
sika say na wo say yetuama na carpenter almost ntima na carpenter figure no because no I don't know that is why I'm also agitating for the freedom of information bill to be passed you know almost ntima figure no name almost aji 10% I 40,000 Ghana cedis
and why am na aje 10% no evaluation board for no
sunyani valuation for almost 10% no and when you say 10% it means compensation that me have million mawa the government will pay me the consultant 10% of what was collected for me so making it 110 that's what I'm saying so they make out as here
me too pa
10% of not 10% from and so I'm going to say onko on the onko now on the 40% from 10% yeah 40,000 so you multiply 40,000 by 10 you get 400,000 into onko jinko no dia na otuama o papa be dia no na on tin free mu balance near India. And we did that. We are balance farmers on budget in Honor. And you are free move. And you are about that figure. So that figure is what we are demanding from him.
And this is here no mo lawyer the lawyer could actually come up and say sika mo demande 357,723 Ghana cedis.
Exactly so.
And on based on calculation
based on calculation I know you know.
The why is CCA. Hey. Na try me ba. Yes.
Me valuation my answer. Say your government the rate ni ba. Until that one emphasis and Kundiano. City population 70 trees per 1 acre. But young fans say any culture, you know, na wild in you know. Young fans say 20 per 1 acre. So if 20 per 1 acre and the area is 1,000 acres, you multiply 20 by 1,000. Only in Kumbia.
That's unim very well. So say valuation no. Ye wo abaya jumeko or land valuation board of the land commissioner was a babaye. In the I'm surprised mo calculation be say eno no muntu amamo.
Emrantis you can yen private you know yen land compensation. Yen land compensation what you we are about
GMFM.
Yen land compensation. Yen land compensation yen ahemfo na am prayer say yen nyama wo mo. Emran say mafo asase abane say compulsory acquisition. No as I can say problem mu asase competent person. No mu asase who akunta amount. Na mintua oka. Tementua oka safa me court. That is the law. Mr. Obia at 125 that is the law. Enti
mo anoma ye mo am calculate na mo arrive as a figure no.
But yen calculations no. Yafa
competent person. Okay, no problem. And this is here no. No problem.
No
problem. No problem.
They have collected their 10%, which is 400,000 Ghana cedis. And you know, imagine a farmer's in the Nian film, balancing and an idea, and Thomas can make one for my end.
And Cecilia still an address a question, let's say Strategic Security Systems International or more ABC solar farm no. Yeah, address a question say omatue scan the ama bui power authority munim so omatue na say atete bi na mode kam asemi
ye nim say omatue because omutua no omupoja e wa carpenter and omutua ye
there be say carpenter dwa no ye de na omutua ama farmers na omo no ba ye wa asase ne so
nanaso ye farmer even though or a farmer because that belongs to the stool what's a farmer. And so, of say, oh no, now for my no, no, or saying, for my no, why am I Missiaka?
Okay, Udia Jinasona, me Musa, Mr. Fred O'Warry. Mr. O'Warry.
Yes, sir.
Me bacho wet ye opinion and then a casa. Fantastic. And ye are no manual.
Martini na there will be some questions na. No, oka se omunim sinipi se omunim se strategic for APS no amaye mema wo papa no normal the friend of hini babuate na wa friend no ebisa no na ka kiro farmers na ye tua omo no a oka so omo ye num no anya ye na ye ho se be tua omo saski land valuation for no free so nyane te se ne oka no number share farmers do ekwokohwe nkatia ni nyomo omuduadua na omukire sika asietua ya passes kanu ebo no edikoma strategic for no no mankasa edisika no ebae sene oka no omugbo odwa ya sika no ankasa yen yafa
no okay sika no dodo na ye saying
about 880,000. And when you share your fat, you are 10% of farmers in Sikano. And yet, Yanti Flomo, a young Casanca say Sika. Yes, Nana, una woyɛ ɔhene wɔ ha edwuma nkɔfo bɛyɛ no farmers no ekuo no mo commercial no ma value no mo tua ɛde ama wɔ mo wudin ɛnka ho enti we de yɛn saa sika 8,000 efi yankasa ɛhɔ woyɛ ɔhene edi kyerɛ ya tigi na wo so fatɔ bayire bi to wakondwa no so
ɛnde me ba me so worry mamenti bibi ase wɔ ha na je say on the day na mo settle 5 farmers no mo sign so epe bibi edema ɛyɛ carpenter hene
yes
ɛno no na yɛ for den mutua for den
yes sika yan ankasa yɛde ma no ɛnka sika strategic for the buy no strategic for no ankasa gina hɔ papa na ankasa gina hɔ
but let me come in here
no nyabotre mani nwie nyabotre me ba cho
o gina hɔ check no ɔde ma ekuafo no mo kɔgye no wɔ bank ɛwɔ bui hɔ na ankasa na yɛn na ɛka kyerɛ nana sɛde ɔka no kɔtra hɔ sɛ nana nia ankɔfo bɛyɛ no farm so on bɛhwɛ no wo farm nka ho na wo yɛ ɔhene so ɛna ɛbɛbɔ dwa buda bɛtene dwom na wahwɛ ma nkɔfo yɛtu ɔmo ka yɛn a ɛbaɛ wo a wo ka ho na wo hwɛ so no wo farm nka ho nti ama hwɛ na ɛbaɛ yɛ wo snap ne nyama ɛka ho na no afa sɛ 8,000 ɛno yɛ yɛn ankasa bui yɛn ne yɛtua yɛde ama wo ɛyɛ saa economic tree na wo ka no sɛ nkurɔfoɔ no nya wɔn permit no sɛ wɔn ba bɛyɛ adwuma no a yɛbɛhwɛ wɔn atua community no de ama wɔn ansa na wɔn asate adwuma no.
No munim the value of saa economic tree because ɔmo na koti ɔmo figure o.
400,000.
Me ba tɔ sɛ
400,000 na ɔka no ɛno yɛ nea land valuation for ɛkyerɛ ɛkunu sɛ mikasa mi tiri ngyina ɛno yɛ nea land valuation for ɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ farms. Any economic trees ni nyina o kan nyina bomu a 400,000 odd na enu no na a land valuation for ye adwuma no omo gi 10% as their fee for doing that work
and that 10% no has been paid how
to them enu ni 40,000 bi a o kan ho asem
no me ba Mr. Worry se sa sika no free Strategic Security Systems Limited Maya he fa na munya 10% de ma
ya ma strategy for ne tua ye
ba na omuntua principal amount no
because you see go and do evaluation. I want to come and use the land in a person use no there are 3 components economic tree farm produce and adwuma no so our fees land commission form fees and take a chance adwuma na omo ye no send the overcost once of my evaluation in the amount no and so pay fees in it and the fees no is 10% of the amount as compensation and to a chance say omutua eno and the farmers no so there so also omo kwa aduane asabi mo duan kati 6 months ebe pro enti eno no there say so also omo free asase so a so utua ma mo economic business no I have told that wadawa mo tino se munya ntwa ndua no ngu fom a ehu hia se eba betua enti no kwana mo kwati permit se mo saka permit no na mo ba be ye adwuma no a ansa no mo kotua economic tree no na munya kwa akwasa no so akoye adwuma eno na papa ya o kase akwa dani asam ni akiro hin no se yetua but ne kan ya me pesa wo ye ne se osaka no mo no a we'll
get that number into me producers in the obedi nkomo na ya just our number no
wo frɛ wie na odi that year say ampa we tia 400,000 ni nyina de amaye ene yete so a na fatudwa na menim gu asini enyi medi se enya sa so dia na so oba na obepa me chew se ensem o ka no ebia mathematics no na o ka no so ejira so dia ya asem no me pa chew no me kan dwa na obi an se ono no twantro
Mr. Worry mate
anina so
yeah ogina so enti wachirem am wahu se sa 10% omutua ma sunyane land valuation for no wachirem be free ebaaye eno nkyere se 400,000 no company no ede amount
enye no kra me ntem nkyerɛ enye no kwende sense ye ne consultants ye na ye bui power that's actually nyina land compensation no crops nyina na ye hu adwuma aban ntimi nka se makope sika etua consultants no sika wa bra trans na ya jama wo yentu omuka
onka say ya ban say utie me ba
aban timi nka sa nipa na oto asase no untimi nka nche ne say chia omo ya apasi ko omo sika pasika na nipa ko na nka sa na sika ne de free let him make a point yenta ye ne just say ban for asame ni dance e twa ho bi na de dance
yes
papa no ade ntine papa no onimi ye say sika no e na carpenter dia na omo ya chi home man so chuchu chance na for my phone o change into his name Adentino yes meaning say he wanted to cheat him. Oh,
that be unim nyabotre no owen me pacho ye radio so and unim say asem we no e ade amoa mama hint say munya court amo de beko enti yenhwe kasa ye kasa no eyi say obi pese o cheat obi ni ade no uni nyina so obi a mesel
but that's man can ya what there
good.
Mr. Warris, man can you good. So when President say choir no or this another fast one. Echo fast compensate say or catch and say any diano. And then you so. Let us be what's what you are 8,000 manana and correct. Uchaman or catch and say now they would be a Pibiano, Emoska. Emma royalties. One phone is there.
Mankasa na onye shareholder na PBI.
O se na PBI royalties.
Was it Mr. Warren say wan kasa o.
O kan say e be bo akire no.
Okay.
On phone so. O kan na record e on phone so e bo akire no. E bo akire no. E na danu aso no. O bi say this TV4
no Mr. Warren nya abotre ma ni nwie wa nyesa obi antem nka ma ni nwie
aha a bulletin e wo ho say obi pa for my so matua ska wo ho bia o matua ahimfu nyina ka ye wo sa ayi so e wo ho ya dance say DWASO ka sa no say enti sa ka be DWASO say asa mo kan mo
me ba
enti sa oh one can say enti sa and evaluation will be an evaluation o kan say me kwaye no e tia consultant nsika na sa nsika die yes etia nobody obua yan kure asusumi yan kure sa o kan say consultant indian ndi papa ska no e won ho on famra on ma we self dependent 3 years for a second defendant well evaluation post nya a defendant you are going to court period.
Okay, it is a free Strategic Security Systems International for no na se omoka se omomfa sika no emma bui power authority emo mamuji tum se omatua 10% the ama land valuation for no obeyeden
e beka che 3 years for say any omuntua asase omunti so.
And I said that is the agreement say until they pay no omuntimi enkonko ye adwuma na
see am no ka say see China po bia ba ho asase no omso aba ho see 800 na kan China po bia ba ho see am wo ho
so they say omonso pa asase no
and say 5 lots lot 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D E and a 3 side for no upper lot 5 no so it is assuming that 3 side for they have paid for all the lots. I don't know 3 side for they have paid for all the lots for 400 am on there and what is 3 side for all the lots it is China po bia ba yeah ne ya see am ho ombefa the four other lots no A B C D no ombefa say China po bia ba ombefa sa for lots no
me ba na sisia na omunya ntua compensation ye ma munwie ye no enua na esi asase ne so no se mu didi so ana
enku dua no obi so bipa boy to akase o bi nsia asase ne so but on pam ka se ma mu
dabi unyi me question na no me say enku dua ene dawa no
o di kura illegal omu wura mo ko se enku dua nkura illegal
no me ka nana ne mpanyifo na me kan yo
se omu wura mu akodi di sukura illegal na woni mama ka se makunchiro bizawara chwa letter ko na kapinta se enua na nkofo no etu egu no omfa o de chena nanom letter wo ho se omfa enyayi omfa enshi omfa nshi bidie nkudua na omatu egu no o se omfa nshi bidie letter no ho sia so omfa nshi bidie woni nyina ya schema no wo scheme se be ya na agene be dane na scan won follow scan bi mu but we saw him earlier on near yehunu wa chiri no onye nu hokwa ne hoda daada no onye nu ho ne hoda daada enti no de okai ni nya letters ne kasa wo kasa ne nsema wo ka Let us watch you now, Hobby Jadan. It is only me say, Obia, Opeso, Chabby, because you don't want to embarrass him at the court. You don't want to embarrass him at the court. Period. We are going to embarrass him at the court.
What we do, ne say, ye bepe SSSI for the number. Now, yeah, because I think I never settled this whole matter. Into your best friend, if indeed Omotia and I say Omuntia. Yeah.
Omo landlord and BPF for nothing. Ya chuma. The Omo my Africa con cry. So Omo near be a meeting. Omni meeting. The con cry because you know, ya know money a meeting. No. Omo my Africa con cry. Omo say near be a meeting. Omo to meeting. No. Omo and kwa back at the into Omo here. So
okay, unim openyi ma yanase na yenji CSSI for the number every Mr. Warri Hona let's call and see baby be kwa see why because I idea here no problem yebeje omienu nyina number why enti wonso gina so na fa number ne ma omoma yen why Mr. Warri
me can media bakuna
yes
yan fancy here ya nam say penufo bi wo man mu omuni kura nanso bi na community man no bokura ampo enfa omo kakro mbenye edi anti twa ansama ye kan ho ekopie mo ohinenim oman hinenim obodwa efre no ahemfo eni me am directors ebu directors etra konjam ame ye frɛ 3SR director manu catcher no the two speaker I catch answer on sika bia but mean FN me say nipa o hye na nachi a and so adwen amate say omo kasa saa no a sika ne bia bui anya sika bia su bia be kwa ko fiscal ne ba betu omo ka but e ban sika anya ye na si etua ye 3SR for so muntu ya
no, but the point is, Mr. Warri say, "Oka sanso a, say omu entry a, sisi ananane ni mpanyifo ntimi nkwa asase ne so."
Enu nya nokre. Sa asem ya kano. Ana me kan say nana, wenum no omu ba, ndua no ba bebubu omu fa nya hwe. Ba minim se permit no enye dan a omu sa beka. Enti so omu saka. Meka kire omu, inse se bi omu betwetwa ndua no gu atwisa basabasa. Na catch on na come we dikan we twa ndua na bia didie kura wo de ahye na wafa still anu betua o ndua ne ka na che say ho aba mfaso double because ya mean kan say oye mi junior wo Prempeh College ohene no enti no ya we hu na me befa ho esisi no tini so me ko kancha so ye ni say na obi super wa for cover value bi onu pesike bi edi eba begu enimu asese ye tuesika. I think the key to this whole matter and it's a obebisa 3SR for no. So I am pa and I say no press so much can any teswa. No the betu gadlu I'm saying best of problem ni na. Mate
ma yenhwe na yemfa NC. Inti gina so na woni producers no enkasa. Yeda mpanyifo mienu yi ase. Fabɛwɔso ni ewa Adom 106.3 FM. DWASO NSEM ena motie Fabɛwɔso dwumadie yi ena yede ebram. Inti de eda ho eno no basically said yede kan akyere mu no enei nana a oda carpenter kro no ano. Nidin na Solomon Dompe Entry the second, the Koro of Carpenter. Edian a lawyer at the share letter omode kokoma Bui Power Authority CEO Ora I no edi enkomo enche bia said emu nyina Martin Fred Oware letter omode kokoma no and no Fred Oware nso a reply e ka say court said ono aka wa ha no and in sign kan sika bia say court no mpese omo kwa still omo enko and ye can we say the big picture na ye amanfo nsase a oman no ede the power of the state age because constitution no allow say oman ehu asasi bi opeso odidi dwuma bi a obetima de agenti say ohwe State Land Act 1962 Act 125 ema oman no ekwan but was say parliament so pass the friend executive instrument in the way no EI-70 based on executive instrument no ɛna omutimi ɛde saa asase enti bebre sɛ wokɔ aboade ahemfo ne bɛka kyerɛw sɛ asase a yɛgye ɛde yɛ aboade thermal plant yɛntua bebre across the country amanfo nsase a ɔman no agye a compensation ɛkyɛ saa ansa na yɛayɛ den yɛtua ɛde ama nti ebi na ɛkɔ so wɔ bui a ama yɛdi saa nkɔmɔ yi ɛnɛ anɔpɛ yi ɛwɔ fabɛwɔso ɛso nti yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛnya company no involved company no deɛ na yɛde to odwa no Strategic Security Systems International omo ena ebaba besi solar farm ewo Bole Bamboy $56 million according to Buino omo na was a trial land compensation no edema 400,000 Ghana cedis and the yebehwe ne won wedding komo say omo tria and as a 10% na pe no mutria dem land valuation for hosunyane and a principal sika na nkasa no omunya entry omuntria enso adaben ena omo etria yebedi san komo ni nyina subsequently fabɛwɔso ni ewo DWASO NSEM so ye ba sisi a yebɛto aso
we am kunimdifo ana